Good morning, it's Alistair from Motorhome Depot, and this morning I'm looking at a beautiful Swift Kon-Tiki 794. This is a fantastic looking motorhome. It's a 4-berth, 4-belt, automatic, 9-speed automatic, so it's got everything going for it. Have a look at this. Here we have a fantastic looking Swift Kon-Tiki 794. It's on the Fiat Ducato front end with the 9-speed auto gearbox, alloys, mirror covers, looking great in this Swift colouring with the red decal there. Big 2-lay awning right the way across there. Fantastic, just right for going away touring and long holidays away. Here we have the gas barbecue point. We've got an external 230 volt 3-pin plug point there, so you can plug it in there. The fridge and freezer vents. We've got the lavender box, light for the awning, and you can see here you've got this huge garage, and then you've got additional storage just down here. You've got these great slide out cabinets which are very handy, tucked away nicely. Good generous sized garage, goes right the way through to the other side. Checker line down there. It's got a 230 hookup, it's got a little light there, it's got USB charging. Got the Alde radiator running through, so everything that you'd want in a garage. Coming round to the back, looking beautiful. We've got twin verse cameras, so one pointing down, one pointing backwards. We've got reverse sensors and this great looking carbon fibre detailing just on the back here. At the back here on this side we have a very similar layout. You've got the entrance to the garage, which is just there. We've got another slide out little storage compartment just there, and you've got the Alde wet heating vent just there. Over at this side you've got all the services all in one place. So we have got the external shower point, we have got gas load fitted, so it's got refillable gas, twin gas bottles in there. So the gas refill point there. Next to that you've got the 230 hookup and an external aerial lead if you want it. You've got the water fill, and you can also use a straight hose pipe, or you can use a whale pump fill from there. Looking great on this front end in the black, and you can see it's got these mirror guards on there as well to protect everything. Let's have a look see inside. So going inside, you see this is what a lovely, bright, light, modern looking motorhome this is. You can see this beautiful lounge centre dinette area. I've spun around the 2 seats at the front so that you can get an idea of how spacious this truly is. And of course the trick bit is that with the press of a button the table goes up and down, as easy as that, to make up into the bed. And then if you want some extra room, folds over, as simple as that. And if you're looking to move it in a different direction, it slides across like that as you want it. And it will in fact slide that way and rotate completely, so you can have any combination you like for the location of that table. Great. Over here you can see you've got this great kitchenette area. We've got a generous sized sink with a lovely tap. We've got a great hob there, 3 gas and 1 hot plate. We've got the grill under there, oven in there, And then plenty of storage all ways round. Lots of cupboards and drawers. Up here we've got the microwave, and then over on this side we've got the fridge freezer, which one of these new domestic ones opens on both sides. Very handy for reaching the beer from the bed. And here you've got mount for the television and the sockets required, so whether it's 230 or 12 volt, you've got your aerial points, everything you want. Alde heat controller just there. We've got the Swift command controller just there. Smoker CO2 just there. Coming through, you've got separate facilities. So we've got first of all, you've got the door which shuts off the main habitation area. So if you need to have a row or have some privacy, you can go in there. You've then got this very nice shower with its little shampoo cubicle just there. And this is with a great separating screen there. And over this side, you've got facilities, sink, and up there, expel air extractor. At the back here, you've got this very large, generous island bed, sockets and mount for the television if you want to put them there. Because plenty of storage underneath, just there. Storage cupboards, wardrobes all the way round, and then an additional slide across the door for more privacy in the bathroom. Makes this totally separated off. And not only that, just then you've got the additional 2 seats which are tucked away under these lounge seats over here. Let me show you. And you can see here, this is the one travelling seat, pops up from underneath the sideways facing to be forward facing with a seat belt. And I'll show you the one on the other side. And you can see on this side again, a forward facing seat. So we've got 4 seats and 4 seat belts in this beautiful motorhome. And under this seat you can see that you have access to your Swift command, your Sergeant unit, you've got all your fuses and bits and pieces, and down by the side there you've got your water pump, all quite easy to access. And so by dropping that electric table, moving the cushions around, you can make up a very generous double bed at the back here. So you've truly got a 4-berth, 4-seat belt family motorhome. So Swift Kon-Tiki 794, 4-berth, 4-seat belt, automatic, 9-speed automatic, height adjustable table. It's got aircon, it's got a Thatcham tracker and alarm, it's got the refillable LPG, it's been silicone coated on the outside so it will keep it looking beautiful and shiny forever, hopefully. Fantastic, what a great family motorhome ready for touring, holidays, adventures. If you'd like to know any more information, if you'd like to arrange to come down and view this beautiful motorhome, please don't hesitate to get in touch, give me a ring, give me a text, give me a WhatsApp, and please don't forget to like and subscribe when you get to the end of the video. Thanks very much.